Hey everyone, today's video I want to discuss the difference between a titanium cutting board and a plastic cutting board and your standard wooden cutting board. I recently switched over to this titanium cutting board. Here, let me show you the size. It's a good size. I would say it's about what is this, 24 inches by 15 inches, something like that. And yeah, as you can see, it's a little wet. I need to keep my area more clean. But just cutting up this. But some of the benefits are with the plastic cutting boards, you see all these little cut marks? Well, lately, there's been research and they've been saying that when you cut with a plastic cutting board, some of that plastic actually gets into the food, which you then swallow and it goes inside your body. And with the problem with a wooden cutting board is that it develops mold, especially if you put it to the side and you don't use it for a while. See that mold? Now I'm gonna have to sand it all off. Oh, also, yeah, on the bottoms, see? That's why I don't even use this anymore because I have to clean it. But yeah, these are some of the advantages of having a titanium cutting board. As you can see, that's pretty disgusting, right? There's mold right there all over. And this is a big board. Just to kind of give you guys a comparison. This board is pretty big as well. Oh no! Wait, I'm not letting it touch, don't worry. Might touch the bottom, but anyways, I'm making a video. So, yeah, this is the main reason why you might want to consider switching over to a titanium board. And I'll try to give you some more information about these plastic boards. Now, I'm not gonna say, hey, don't use a plastic board at all, because if you don't need to slice and you're not actually like cutting like this into something, like a piece of meat, then perhaps it's okay. It's just convenient, it's light. So for example, an apple, if you're cutting an apple, you might want to just pull out the plastic cutting board. But other than that, you're gonna probably want to use a titanium board. Now, the titanium board does have some cons. And one of those cons is that when you're chopping stuff, I'm just gonna use one hand. It's just a different feel, it doesn't feel as good. And you're hitting something like straight hard, as opposed to something that might be more receptive like wood or plastic. There's no bounce back, it's just like, okay? And, you know, this is arguable that some people claim that the titanium board damages the knife less, while others say that they feel like they have to sharpen the knife more. Anyhow, I just wanted to make a quick video about the benefits of getting a titanium board. It is more expensive, you know, for sure. This one costs like about $100, but then they vary in price. So yeah, let me end it here. If there's any other information, I'll go ahead and post it also in the video. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a question or comment below and a like if you appreciate this video. Thank you.